Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to completely delete your Google account. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the website address google.com. Look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture, initial icon, or Google account avatar. From there, click explicitly on the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. If you entered your main account panel, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar layout and click directly on the tab named Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down through the Privacy Options page until you reach the section explicitly labeled Delete Your Google Account. For security verification, the system framework will instantly prompt you to input your account password or complete a two-factor authentication check to prove your identity. Once you pass the verification screen, read through the warning text layout, which carefully lists all the active data and subscription services that are about to be terminated. Scroll down to the very bottom of the informational page and click explicitly on the two check marks to acknowledge that you are responsible for any pending financial transactions and that you want to permanently delete the data. Click directly on the blue button labeled Delete Account at the bottom right corner of the layout to authorize the final command. The central database framework will instantly execute the purge loop, revoking your login tokens globally, deleting your data blocks, and terminating your profile footprint across the entire Google network. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.